Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Chenna from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. Welcome to all of you to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation. So today it's part 3 of Medicinal Plants of Odisha. So let's start. So in previous parts of this title Medicinal Plants of Odisha, we have already discussed about 20 medicinal plants. Today we are going to learn about more 10 medicinal plants in which the first one is Apros precatorius. So the Apros precatorius is commonly known as rosary pea and Kaincha in Odia, which is the herbaceous flowering plant in the bean family Fabaceae. It is a slender perennial climber with long pinnate leafleted leaves that twines around trees, shrubs, and hedges. And this plant is best known for its seeds, which are used as beads and in percussion instruments. And the medicinal uses of this plant include the leaves are used as laxative, in which it is used to treat relief constipation and also act as expectorant. So the next one is Acmela paniculata, uh, which is belonging to the family Asteraceae, and it is a annual herb, and the leaves are opposite, ovate, acute, and about 2 to 4 centimeter long. The medicinal uses of this medicinal species include the cone-shaped inflorescence is commonly used to treat toothache, throat, and gum infections. And the significance is the whole plant, but particularly the floral head, is very pungent, and chewing the heads relieves toothache or a tincture made from the flower heads and applied in some link to the teeth and gums is even more effective against toothache. Acanthospermum hispidum. It is an annual plant in the family Asteraceae, which is native to Central and South America. This plant is cited as a weed in cotton culture in Brazil, and it also used as a medicinal plant. This is a medicinal plant basically used in the treatment of gastrointestinal respiratory disorders and has expectorant action. And this is your erect, densely hispid herb, moderately branched above and covered with multicellular strigous hairs. The several studies have reported in vitro and in vivo that the biological properties of extracts and compounds isolated from different organs of the Acanthospermum hispidum plant, including hepatoprotectors, antioxidants, antimicrobials, and antiparasitic too. Then the next one is Erba lanata. Um, it is the mountain knotgrass, is a woody prostrate or succulent perennial herb in the family Amaranthaceae, basically native to Asia, Africa, and it is an erect or prostrate plant with a long woody taproot that branches from near the base and the medicinal uses are the aqueous extract of whole plant is used for the removal of renal calculi and which is kidney stones and also protects from the kidney damage. The next plant is Artemanthes sessilis, which is a flowering plant known by several common names including Madaranga saga, sisu, spinach, Brazilian spinach, sessile joyweed, and dwarf copperleaf, and it is cultivated as a vegetable worldwide. So this is a perennial herb up to 10 to 45 centimeter tall with a prostate growth habit. The medicinal use is the methanolic extract of whole plant is used in controlling hepatic diseases. Then the next one is Amaranthus spinosus, which is commonly known as Kantasaga in Odia, and the spiny amaranth, spiny pigweed, prickly amaranth or thorny amaranth, which is a plant that is native to the tropical Americas but is present on most continents as an introduced species and sometimes a noxious weed. And it is an erect, many-branched annual hop growing up to 1.5 meter. The stem is smooth, robust, cylindrical, and often reddish. And the fruit is orbicular, ortical, compressed, and fruiting occurs throughout the year. And the medicinal use include the whole plant possesses diuretic property. Then the next one is Andrographis paniculata, which is commonly known as Chireta, uh, is one of the highly used potential medicinal plants in the world. Um, this is an annual herbaceous plant in the family Acanthaceae, which is native to India and Sri Lanka, and it is widely cultivated in southern and southeastern Asia, where it has been believed to be a treatment for common cold, diarrhea, fever due to several infective causes, jaundice, as a health tonic for the liver and cardiovascular health, and as an oxidant, and also as hepatoprotective. The aqueous leaf extract protects the liver and gallbladder. Then the next one is Annona squamosa. This is a tree This is a small tree with an open irregular crown, and the leaves are elliptic to oblong with rounded to acute apex, and the leaves are also alternate with entire leaf margins. Fragrant yellowish green flowers hang downwards either singly or in groups of 2 to 4. Mm, this is a small shrub of genus Annona and family Annonaceae. The fruit is popularly known as custard or sugar apple, and the ethanolic extract of stem bark shows significant antioxidant activity. And also, there are several reports about the antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic function of custard apple extracts and its active constituents. Anogenesis latifolia is a species of small to medium-sized tree native to the India, Nepal, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. It is also known as Navada in Odia, and the morphology of the fruit or seed is a tube 0.85 centimeter across, compressed, nearly orbicular, and narrowly two-winged, imbricately arranged in a globose head, yellowish-brown, crowned by persistent calyx tubes, which is modified into stiff beak, and the seeds are minute. Um, the medicinal use includes the ethanolic extract of stem bark is useful in the treatment of urinary tract infections. Then the next one is Artesia solanaceae, which is also known as Bonajamu in Odia and Subutton Artesia in English. It's a species of the genus Artesia in family Primulaceae and subfamily Myrcinoideae. Um, the leaves are simple, alternate, spiral, and the inflorescence axillary or lateral umbels. The flowers are pink, peduncle up to 12 centimeter long, and the fruit and seed are berry globose 0.8 centimeter across, bright red in color, and having one seed. And the medicinal use is the aqueous leaf extract act as an antibacterial. Thank you for patience sharing.